The more consequential signal out here is structural. The function of providing liquidity to the world's deepest markets has migrated off the regulated bank balance sheet into a narrow cluster of technology-driven private firms, and it has done so as the regulatory parameter around those firms is being loosened rather than drawn tighter. Let's start with a bit of a background and context out here. What's the tell in the quarter? The first quarter of 2026 delivered exactly the conditions that market makers are built for. The conflict involving Iran pushed oil and both the front and the long ends of Treasury curve through repeated repricing. The artificial intelligence build-out injected a second, only loosely correlated source of equity volatility as investors reweighed the durability of the software and services business models. Firms that stand between the buyers and the sellers and monetize the spread between them harvested both at once. The headline figures are large enough to obscure their own meaning. Citadel Securities is reported to have generated $4.3 billion in trading revenue and $1.9 billion in net income over the period. Jane Street, the current scale leader, posted record revenue of $16.1 billion, and Hudson River Trading, its fastest rising competitor, bought in $6.4 billion. Together, these three privately held firms cleared roughly $27 billion in trading revenue in a single quarter, a total that on top of the table exceeded what the largest bank trading franchises earned over the same window. The instructive framing out here is that war and turbulence produced a windfall. Now that is true, but incomplete. Volatility is the proximate cause of the size of the quarter, but not as to who captured that size. The more consequential observation is distributional. The economic rent that is embedded in continuous two-sided markets, historically shared across a broad set of regulated dealers, is concentrating in a handful of firms that sit outside the prudential framework built for institutions that they are displacing.